Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I have an exciting video for you and I'm going to share all of my favorite products right now. These products are products I am loving, products I would love you to try. For me to bring them on here, it just shows that I actually love them. I don't bring any products that I do not love on my channel, so for any product that makes it on my channel, then it's a thumbs up for me. If this is your first time of checking out my channel, hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you are here, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back to check out my new video. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. I or anyone watching this video could help you answer that question. So first product that I would love to share is this one. So this is the Purdy Figg product. It's the Purdy Figg Counter Clean and it's a bottle for life. This is a great product for multi-surface cleaning. You can use this product to clean your glass, your mirrors, your windows, your countertops like your kitchen counters, tables like your dining table, and it just smells amazing. Like the first day I tried it, it actually blew my mind. This smells so good. This product comes with 3 bottles like this. So the one I tried is the Balancing Floral Eco Concentrates. I've got this one. I have Uplifting Citrus and also Grounding Vetiver. So all of these products are eco concentrates. That means that they are concentrated oils and you have to mix with water. I absolutely love the scent. Smells really nice, not too harsh. It's a nice subtle scent that just makes the whole house smell clean and fresh. It also came with this microfiber cloth, and the microfiber cloth and this product to clean your windows or your glass or your mirrors is a great combination. This was absolutely brilliant and I had to bring it on here to recommend this product to you. So the next product I have is the Utrasun. So this is a sun protection spray. All you need to do is give it a shake and spray it on your face. So I spray this on my face and even on my kids' face when we're going out and about, out in the sun for a whole day. The sun can be quite harsh on the face, so this is a good protection from the sun. It contains SPF 50 and it has high protection. It's got UVB plus UVA protection. It doesn't have alcohol inside. It's transparent, face and scalp UV protection mist. It's great for sensitive skin, plus it is non-comedogenic. I don't know what comedogenic is, but yeah, it's non-comedogenic. So this is water resistant, it's fragrance free, and it helps to prevent sun allergies. So I had to bring this product on because it has so many good things going for it. It doesn't leave any white marks, especially for my skin color. So yeah, this is really good. I had to bring it on because you need this in your life. The next product I have is from Orly. Yay! This is such a cute bag. So if you want to get this set, you'll get it in this bag, I suppose. So in here, I'm going to show you all the items in the bag. I'll bring them out one by one. So in here I've got the Orly breathable one-step manicure. So this is a white nail polish. It's so good. If you like white nail polish, Orly is so good. Why I like this one is because it's a one-step manicure. So it's a 3-in-1 product in here. So this product has the base coat, the color, and top coat, so you don't need to put different layers. If you're putting this nail polish, you only need this nail polish and that's it. So the main products I want to show you are these 3 products, and these are Orly products as well. These products are so good because this one is the Orly Cutique. So this is a cuticle and stain remover. So if you've got any cuticle or stains on your nails from nail polish and all of that, use this and it will remove whatever stain that you have. You just need to apply this and then go to your tap, wash it off and rinse and dry. And then the next product is this one. This is the Orly Bonder, and this is a rubberized base coat. After using the Cutique and you wash it off, you can now use this one. This is the Bonder, and this Orly Bonder will help you know, it will act as a base coat for your nail polish. After this one, you can then put your nail polish, and when you're done with your nail polish, you put this one. This is the Orly Polish Shield, and it is a top coat. It's an all-in-one ultimate top coat. So you know what I noticed about these products here? Anytime I use these 4 products, guys, my nail polish, like if I apply nail polish on its own on a good day, it could probably start, you know, chipping away by day 2 or day 3. But I noticed that when I use these, especially these 3 products, let's even leave the Cutique for a bit, but these 3 products, you know, it's so good. Like it can, my nails will not chip for like 5 days max. Like it stays, you know, the same for so long. This is like an example. You know, I painted my nails purple, but I used these 2 products, especially the base coat, the top coat, and my nail polish, and it has lasted for like 3 days now. This is day 3, but by day 4, day 5, you know, it could start chipping away. But it's so good. I highly recommend the top coat and the base coat from Orly. If you don't have it, go get it. It's so good. So for your health and vitality, I've got this one. So this product is called Fight Vitamins, and it's such a good one. Here I've got the support bone strength, and this one contains vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, and this one is the support immunity, and it contains vitamin D, C, B12 and zinc, as well as some other, you know, vitamins as well. So this is 60 vegan gummies, and it's the mango flavor, whilst this one is 60 vegan gummies and it's the berry flavor. I love this product because it's gummies, number one. Kids don't have to have gummies only. We adults have our gummies now, and they taste amazing. So this is how it looks. So this one is the one for bone strength. So you have to have 2 a day. This one is the one for immunity. I love the vibrant colors. The colors are amazing. They look so good. They taste so good. I just tried one and it tastes amazing. Like this one, the mango flavor tastes like mango, and this berry flavor tastes like berries. So it's so good. I had to share it here because it literally, because of the taste of this vitamins, it literally reminds me to take it every day because I'm always keen to take it. It's like a candy to me even. So yeah, it's so good. Do not overdose on this. Just take your maximum 2 a day, and that's it. I've got Riley. Riley is a new brand that I just got to find out about. I never knew about them, but it's a great range if you are looking to move from, you know, the popular sanitary brands right now. If you want a more sustainable option, you should check out Riley. So Riley is good because it has 12 pads inside, which I think is a generous amount because most times they just give you like 10, I think, but this one's got 12, so it's a good generous amount, and it is made of 100% organic cotton, which is brilliant as well. It's toxin free, chemical free, and another great thing about Riley is that you can dispose of them even after use with organic food waste. This pouch can be recycled at home or at your nearest participating grocery store. and this is how the product looks inside. It's nicely packed in this packaging. And another great thing about this brand is it was made by 3 friends. These are the friends right here. I love it when friends come together to make a product. So this is from the Little Botanical, and it's a great product range for any plant lovers. So if you like to have live plants in your house, go check out Little Botanical. They have a great range of amazing plants, and if like me you can't keep a plant alive, you should try to get succulents. Things like cactus is such a good one to have, because you can water it like once a month even, but they always give you like a handy guide to help you remember to water it, and you know how many days you have to wait before you can water a plant. But it's so good. You know, I've got a few pots. I've got a few plant pots with different amazing plants, but I thought I should bring these two to you because this is so cute. This one looks like a little heart here, and then this one looks like the top of a pineapple, but I just like it, and I, you know, had to show you. Another one I've got is this lovely range, and this is from Salcura. So Salcura, I like the name Salcura. It just sounds like, you know, a very exotic name. This is for kids. This is the BioSkin Junior daily nourishing spray. So if like me you've loved spraying your kids with moisturizers, this is a good one. It nourishes and moisturizes your kids' skin. Another one here is the Outbreak Rescue Cream. So this is really good if your kid is prone to dryness, eczema. You know, this is a good one for babies and children. So yeah, you know, I know some people might have babies. Salcura range is the one to go to. It's so good, honestly. I love using it on my kids' skin, and it's gentle. The next one is the BioSkin Junior Bath Time Face and Body Wash, and this one is the Bath Time Bath Milk. And the last one here is the Daily Intensive Hand Cream. This hand cream is good for dry skin, sensitive skin. It's so good for grown-ups as well. To the women's range, I have this lovely product from Diamonique. I even have the earrings. It's so secure, like it literally, I have no worries about it falling off. It's so secure. So it came in this sort of box. So the brand name is Diamonique. That's the name there. This one is the bracelets. This is the bracelet in here. It's a really lovely dangly bracelet, but it's made of sterling silver. So it's made of sterling silver, and it's so gorgeous. I love it's a 3.3 carat product made of sterling silver. I can't remember the real, you know, the description of all of, you know, the product, but it's so good. It's long lasting. Of course you can't put it in water, you can't put sterling silver in water, but it's a good one because it just looks so beautiful. Absolutely love this one. So the next product I have is from Beauty Hygiene Plus, and this is a great range because it literally helps with, you know, cleaning of your brushes, your makeup. This one, let me show you one by one. So this is the quick dry sanitizing spray. So all you need to do is spray this on your makeup tools, your brushes, and all of that. It helps keep beauty tools hygienic and germ free, and it's great for daily use. It kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. This is a great product. You can give this as a gift or you can use it yourself. This is the brush cleaning spray. So anytime you need to clean your brushes, use this one. Same thing, kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses. So it's a good one. So it cleans and sanitizes makeup brushes, improves makeup application, prolongs brush life, and great for daily use. This one is the Deep Cleanse Sponge and Brush Wash. So if you've got sponges or you want to wash your brush, this is a good soap to use to wash it. Kills 99.9% bacteria and viruses. It cleans, sanitizes and conditions, dissolves and removes makeup, oils, pigments and grime, improves makeup application. And the last one here is this. This is the antibacterial quick dry makeup sanitizing mist. Kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, specially formulated for makeup, helps extend life and maintains integrity of makeup daily use. So I had to bring this here because this is such a great range. I also receive this set of brushes as well, so you can use these brushes instead of your regular ones. Another product I have is from Klorane. Klorane is a hair care range and it's so good. This one is the Klorane shampoo. I've tried it, I've used it a couple of times and it's really nice. This one is the Klorane conditioner, and this is the Klorane mask. And it's so good together because it just washes my hair nicely, smells good, it lathers well, and it just keeps my hair and my scalp clean. I also use it on my little one because it's a nice natural product. So it has 96% natural origins, and it's so nice. I really like it. I've got this gorgeous product from Moshulu Shoes. Not many people know of Moshulu. I told a friend of mine the other day that I get great sandals from Moshulu, and she was like, what's Moshulu? She wasn't familiar with Moshulu. So yeah, Moshulu is a great range. They sell amazing shoes. The shoes are so comfortable. Listen guys, I'm serious when I say Moshulu shoes are so comfortable. They're super comfortable. I would highly recommend them. If you are after Birkenstocks but you don't like the way it hurts your feet or something, you should check out Moshulu shoes. Moshulu shoes, these are a nice dupe to the popular Birkenstocks, but this one is called Palm Waxy. You do not need to break into this one. It's got a cork footbed, so yeah, similar to the Birkenstock, this one has got a cork footbed and it's nice and soft. It's not uncomfortable at all. I picked the navy color just to have something different from the black one. And I also got these shoes for my kids as well, so they also have the kids sizes. I think Nina has the pink one, Milan has the same color, the navy one. But these shoes are so stylish, trendy, comfortable, versatile as well. They expand, you can adjust the size anytime you want. It's adjustable, so it's so good. I had to tell you guys about this. Go check out Moshulu Shoes. If you have reached the end of this video, thank you so much for listening to all of my recommendations. I absolutely appreciate it. Please do not forget to like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I post videos regularly and I would love to have you join the family. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.